We'll guide you through how to download and install Forge mods in Minecraft 1.21.7. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Mods will go and change how Minecraft is. There are different ones you can get, so let's get started. Here we are on the desktop. Now go and open up a web browser of your choice, it doesn't matter. To get started with this, let's go and get Forge. So what we can do is go and type in Minecraft Forge like so and come to files.minecraftforge.net. Here we are. Go to the left, make sure you select 1.21.7, press the installer when you're ready. This will go and take you to an ad wall. Just be aware if you see a download button, it is for the ad, it's not for Forge. What we need to do is go and wait for the skip button to appear in the top right. We can then go and click on it and it will go and download. We can start getting some mods. A great site I like to get mods from is called Curse Forge. So you can go and type that in like so. There are other sites out there as well. Once you go and search for Curse Forge, we can select Minecraft and press Browse All at the top. You can then go and scroll down. What we can do is go and select Forge, so we see Forge mods, and the game version to 1.21.7. Go and find a mod that you want to go and get. In this case, I'll go and get the storage drawers. So what we can do is go and click on it, come to the top, and you can press Files, and then what we can do is go and make sure we get it for Forge on 1.21.7. Press the three dots to the right and press download file. Now go and wait. It's now gone and downloaded. What we can then do is install it. Of course, you can get more mods, just make sure they're for Forge and 1.21.7. But before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, so if you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. They've got so many great features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, instant setup as well, meaning when you purchase your server, it'll be ready to play in seconds, ultra latency and so many other great features as well. So if you're interested, there'll be a link down below which you can go and check out. A big thanks to them sponsoring this video. And then what we need to do is go and open up our file explorer and come to our downloads. Open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. And what we need to do is go and find Forge. Double click on it, then what you need to do is go and select install client and press OK. If you find that Forge doesn't open or something else opens up, this is likely because you don't have Java. So open up your web browser and you need to go and head to java.com. Here you can then go and download Java and go and install it. After you've done that, return to Forge, right click on it, hover over open with, press choose another app and press Java and press always. It will then go and run and we can go and install the client. If it still doesn't work, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which links jar and jar files together again. Then what we can do is go and open up Minecraft, go to the left and select Java Edition. At the top, you can press installations. Then what we can do is go and scroll down, hover over Forge and press the open installations folder to the right. We can then go and scroll down like so and go and find the mods folder. If you don't see it, you can always go and create one. Come into it. If you've got existing mods in here, go and remove them, especially if they're for different versions, as they may not be compatible and cause crashing. Then what you want to do is come back to your downloads and we can go and add in the mods we've got. There we go. I've just got one. You may have multiple. Then hover over Forge and press play to the right. It's now opened. If I go and open up the mods, I can go and see it here. Now what we can do is go and get into a world. I'll open up the inventory and then what we can do is go and start using the storage drawers.